got 2.
I know.
I don't know them.
I know. Is that so cool? So hey guys, it's December and we have transformed the pretend play area that we do every month into our December pretend play, which is Santa's workshop. Tomorrow's December, so we try to do it before it just turns December. So Trent's gonna show you around and what we got here. What are you looking at there, buddy? Okay, so we have some take-apart toys. So in Santa's workshop, the kids can build the toys. So we have a little template here. Attention elves, use the diagram to build your toys. So buddy, you look at the picture, and then you find the parts and you put it together. Okay.
The screws, right?
Yeah, well that one's kind of already almost put together.
Well, this one is it. This one.
So yeah, why don't you try to put the airplane together then? So yeah, you need the wing. That's good.
What is this? This one's this.
Yeah.
Wait, I need this.
Yeah, that goes there.
Well,
You have to take this nut off.
no.
Yeah, so grab your you need this. You need that. Okay. Oh, put it on your drill. Put it on your drill.
Drill.
Okay.
You take this one off now.
You just put it on the drill. Put your
Oh, you just do that.
yeah.
I see.
Okay. Good job. Okay, now, good job. Now put it off. Now put your windshield on.
Windshield?
This is your windshield.
Yeah, I want to put it on.
You're gonna put it on.
Then we just put the screw
Now
back
put your
on.
bolt back on. Yep.
Where?
Take your drill.
Ooh,
Where's your bolt? What did you do with the bolt?
The bolt's here.
Okay.
Now I put it here.
Yeah. And now you gotta turn it into reverse. So you see this button right here? It turns it to reverse. There you go. Good job!
Then presents. Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, you found some presents? Okay.
Nothing in here.
I know. They're pretend presents for the kids to play pretend, buddy. Can you find the one that has felt stuff in there?
Wait, Mommy. I can find some presents.
Oh, you're gonna put some presents in there? What are you gonna put? Okay, so now you put some presents in there, and now what are you gonna do? You gonna put it under the tree?
Yeah, it's really cute.
Okay.
Maybe more.
You need more? Oh, what'd you find in there?
Ornaments.
You found some ornaments?
Yeah.
Okay, where does the ornaments go?
Up here.
It goes up here. So we have a felt tree, and Trent found the ornaments to go on the felt tree.
This stuff.
Oh, the star goes on the top?
Yeah.
You got it.
The bell right here.
The bell. Oh, good job, buddy.
And the presents here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Candy right here.
Oh, buddy, what else is there?
What are these?
Oh, those are letters to Santa. Let me see. Can you show me one?
Here we go.
It says, to Santa Claus, North Pole, special delivery. Okay, and you see this box right here, buddy?
Yeah.
It says, letters to Santa. And you see who this is? Who's this?
Santa.
Santa. Okay. So you put your letters in here, and then it gets mailed to Santa Claus.
I'm going to deliver him. Mommy, this, I'm buying a toy car.
Oh, you're buying a toy car? Okay, that's cool. All right, buddy, so you continue mailing all your stuff to Santa. And then baby sister, what are you going to do? Oh, okay, are you going to be putting together something? Oh, yeah. What are you going to fix?
I get it.
All right, how many letters are you mailing?
A lot.
You're going to mail all the letters. Okay.
Okay. Well, I mean, like.
You should leave some for other kids to mail, buddy.
Well, I'll take them out after.
Okay.
When I mail them.
Well, you're done mailing them. Okay. All right, so then we also have some reindeer that you can ride. We have a rocking one, And we have a bouncing one. All right. Oh, good job. Do you like to bounce on the reindeer? Oh, and while holding your drill? Oh. Okay, so that's the end of our video. So that's, hopefully you guys will come and enjoy our Santa's Workshop play area. Trent, can you please say bye?
Bye. We'll see you in a Christmas one tomorrow.
All right, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for our Christmas time at Santa's Workshop.
A new one.
Bye.
Bye-bye.